This bank, always one problem or the other.
Oga, please.
Excuse you! Can't you see there is a queue?
Most you people always rush. No patience. Everything fast generation.
In our time, we are disciplined. You will stand. You will wait. Not this your, I know somebody inside attitude.
And it's always you people with jeans and slippers that think rules don't apply. If I leave this machine now, you will just jump and be pressing everything like remote control.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Yes, learn from it.
Okay, sir. I'm the engineer, and I'm here to repair this ATM. It is faulty.